Hey, it's your boy, back at it again with, a bullet journal. Welcome to 2019. We made it. 2018 is finally over. I am so over 2018. I'm ready to start my life anew. Have so many resolutions, so many goals. Not really. I have not really anything planned for 2019 except for some projects that I'm hoping to get somewhat done by the end of the year. But I'm not really a person that really likes resolutions. I didn't make any or set any goals, especially in my little bullet journal. And you can see there, before I get too caught up in my little rants, on my 2019 front page, I wrote a quote that is from Ancestor Orchestra, which is, "I'm on a journey to be free from all my demons." That's from their newest song, Allentown. And the full quote is actually, let me find it. It is, "I am on a journey to discover what it's like to be free from all of my demons." It's very similar. It's just a bit too long to fit onto my page because I have a very messy way of writing, so it's hard to really, be able to fit everything, But yeah, so I had a really hard time figuring out what theme I wanted for this month. Just because, I don't know, man, I didn't really plan my January bullet journal video. Usually I record them like a week prior to the release of the video, But this was actually recorded a week after the new year had started, just because I kind of forgot about it. Because I didn't upload a bullet journal video last month in December. I didn't make one. I didn't actually use it. It was more just out of habit. I don't really like December, so I was like, screw it. I'm just not gonna do anything, So it was kind of hard to just figure out what I wanted. But I decided to have the theme lupine flowers. I don't know how to say them. I don't know the English pronunciation of it, but they are some flowers that I absolutely love, and I've been embroidering a lot lately. One of them I actually been directly sewn onto my jacket now. It's my first ever jacket embroidery, not just a patch. So they have been on my mind a lot because I've been practicing embroidering them until I actually had to put them on my jacket. So I've just been really, really enjoying them, and they're really, really easy to draw. You draw a stalk, and then you just draw tons of oval circles, repeatedly, kind of getting them to be bigger and bigger as you go down. Sometimes they're right on the top, sometimes they're a bit green, depending on how old they are, It's super, super simple. So that's what I kind of decided to be the theme. I was streaming this at the same time. I usually don't stream them. I usually do these on my own time, and usually they take me about 2 to 3 hours to do, just because I do like to do research on my themes, if I do, or I take some time to paint it. But there's a bit of a pressure when you stream to be productive, at least for me, and so I didn't really have much time to plan it because I was kind of bringing everything like I usually do. And originally I was kind of tied together with the front page, which has a Manchester Orchestra quote. So I spent a good maybe 5 minutes just looking through some quotes from their music. But the problem with Manchester Orchestra is that a lot of their music is very dark. It focuses on heartbreak and very tough situations to be in, and I felt like that it wasn't really reflecting on how I wanted my year to go. I want a positive year. I don't really want to dwell on the past, so I ended up not going by it. And I kind of wanted to. I kind of had the idea to maybe add the quotes after the stream, and there was less people watching, and because as a very personal quotes. But I decided to go against it because. Mostly because the flowers ended up taking so much space, but also just because I really like the happy, bright look I got at by the end. Okay, so here you see me doing the calendar like I always do. I think this is the first month I actually made all of the boxes be the same size. I think there are 6 by 5 boxes. And yeah, there's not really say much about it. It's just every single calendar that I've had in the past. I have been thinking of changing up my bullet journal layout, maybe adding some more stuff, kind of explore a tiny bit more, see what else I like. I definitely like having the habit of just drawing the same thing every single month. I have gotten very fast at it, but it's just, I feel like now is the time to grow and try something new. So I think maybe next month I will try a different layout. I need to research it again though. So something that's special for this month is that, actually it's the same as last month that I uploaded, was that I still have my Wednesday to-do list, which is clean, vacuum, and go on a walk, which I try to do every Wednesday. In reality, I only do 2 out of 3 on each day, to be honest. It really depends on how much energy I have, but just having a simple and vague to-do list like that really helps me to get through my kind of hard days. And I am still having a goal of trying to be off the computer as much as possible, and having a new hobby, which is embroidery, has definitely helped. Also, please ignore the fact that I misspelled vacuum multiple times. I have a very hard time telling Y's and U's apart when I'm speaking and writing Norwegian. It's like a thing I've never gotten used to. Ugh. Anyways, but yeah, I'm trying to be less on my computer, like I said multiple times, because it's just, I don't know, man, I just spend all of my time there. I feel like I'm kind of wasting my time away. Of course I work a lot, and I don't really see that as wasting my time. But I'm like, oh, I'm done with working on my computer. What am I going to do now? Oh, I'm going to play on my computer. It's just, I feel like I'm always like inside my room. I feel like I need to go more outside. And with spring right around the corner, I can't wait. I can't wait for spring. I miss going on walks and seeing life. As you all know, where I live, we don't really get that much sunlight during the winter. And I always wake up late, so I never really get to go outside in the winter sun. So that kind of sucks, but that's why spring is so important to me. So we're doing the habit trackers, and I think for the first time ever, my habit trackers are actually in the right order, meaning that my art habit trackers are in the same row. Is it a row? Or column? Row? I think it's row. And my my health wise, like medication, going outside and working out, is all in their own row. So I'm slowly improving, and I actually don't think I really messed up on my habit tracker this time, which is a first, I think. I also added a weekly to-do list. I don't really like having daily to-do lists except for my Wednesdays, because again, my energy level is so random, and it also depends on what am I streaming and all that. But yeah, I think having a weekly to-do list is much more doable for me. Let's see. And later on, I will also add my streaming schedule to my calendar. You will see that. I've actually changed it now. I'm experimenting yet again with my streams to see if I can find a better schedule, because I haven't really been enjoying doing Saturday streams lately. It's just, I think I prefer to have it on my work days instead of having it on a Saturday. I also feel like I get a tiny bit more consistent viewers then, because that's just life. So for now, I have moved my Saturday streams down to Fridays, normal time like always, and we will see how that goes. And other than that, I think every now and then my sister and I do like to do a Sims 4 stream. If anyone want to check it out, we do 100 baby challenge. Right now we have 3. We played for a good 4 hours and we got 3 babies, so that's good. But yeah, so Saturday streams might still happen. I also still do my ad after dark whenever I can't sleep, so still look out for that. And other than that, I think I'm done talking about the bullet journal. Again, I don't really do much with my bullet journal. It's very, very basic. I do like having it be basic. I've been kind of in a hole watching other people's bullet journal videos lately, and they are freaking amazing. People are so artistic, and they come in all types of shapes and forms. That's the same thing. Shape and size. Isn't that also the same thing? This makes no sense. But anyways, So I've been inspired to try out some different things myself, and I am still like pondering if I should actually like buy a stamp, because I keep seeing like people who actually do bullet journals like, you know, monthly, like pretty much religiously, they do use stamps. I'm like, oh, that would really save my hands. Having these compression gloves, they are amazing, but you know, after writing every number up to 30 like 6 times, you know, the cramps do get to me. So I'm really interested in getting that. So maybe I won't promise that I will have it by the end of the month, so you can see the next portfolio. But I think it's something I want to to buy within the year. Say a yearly goal. I think maybe I should add like a shopping list, like stuff I want, because I don't really shop things while I want them. I kind of sit and wait to see if I actually want it for longer than a week or so. So having a shopping list might actually work. So I think I'm going to write that down. In that case, I want more pens for my bullet journal, because I feel like I'm kind of running out of stuff I want to use, especially because my inking pen is soon out of ink. So bad. So new pens, a white pen especially, a stamping block, and then some ink for my printer so I can print out stickers, you know. That's it. Well, okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next month, I guess, or whatever I post online again. See ya. I'm gonna go embroider a bit. Bye.